The Supreme Court has reserved its order in the challenge made to the University Grant Commission's guidelines that required universities to conclude their final year examination amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Senior Counsel Arvind Datar begins making his submissions, taking the court through the counter filed by the UGC. Datar begins reading from the UGC counter. UGC can lay down standards, but it has no jurisdiction as regards conduct of the exam as per the judgment of the Constitution Bench. General of Odisha had said that it is not practical to implement the guidelines of the UGC. Under the current circumstances, it is impossible for the state to conduct the exam by 30th September. Senior advocate Jaydeep Gupta, representing the Organization of Teachers from West Bengal, said on June 27, the decision was taken by the state-aided universities to allocate 80% marks on a weighted average of previous examinations and 20% on the internal assessment. Justice Bhushan said that UGC guidelines says that all the health-related guidelines have to be followed. You cannot say that they have not considered the public health. The guidelines mentioned in Senior Advocate Meenakshi Arora for one of the petitioners begins her submission saying, students not given a leveled paying field. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta for UGC begins to make his submissions. UGC does not have the luxury to confer degrees without holding exams. Tushar Mehta said safety guidelines were communicated to and adopted by the MHRD, which were communicated by the university through UGC.